Snail mucin, also known as snail secretion filtrate, is a popular ingredient in skincare products and has gained a lot of attention in recent years due to its potential benefits for the skin. It's derived from the natural mucus produced by snails, and its use dates back to ancient civilizations. Here's why snail mucin is considered important, especially in human skincare and health. 1. Hydration and moisturization. Snail mucin is known for its moisturizing properties. It contains hyaluronic acid, a compound that attracts moisture and helps keep the skin hydrated. This makes snail mucin a popular ingredient in moisturizers, serums, and creams designed to boost skin hydration. 2. Collagen production. Collagen is a vital protein that helps maintain skin structure, elasticity, and firmness. Snail mucin contains glycoproteins, which are believed to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin in the skin. Increased collagen production can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. 3. Cell regeneration and healing. Snail mucin is rich in growth factors, proteins that encourage cell regeneration and repair. This property makes it particularly useful for people with scars, stretch marks, or skin damaged by acne, burns, or surgery. It can promote the healing of wounds and help improve the texture and appearance of the skin. 4. Anti-aging benefits. The combination of moisturizing, collagen boosting, and cell regenerating properties makes snail mucin an excellent anti-aging ingredient. Regular use of snail mucin can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging by promoting healthier, more youthful-looking skin. 5. Exfoliation. Snail mucin contains glycolic acid, an alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that is known for its exfoliating properties. Glycolic acid helps to break down dead skin cells, revealing fresh, smooth skin underneath. This helps to unclog pores, reduce acne, and give the skin a brighter and more even tone. 6. Acne treatment. Snail mucin is also effective in managing acne. The exfoliating properties of glycolic acid help prevent pores from becoming clogged, which is a common cause of acne. Additionally, snail mucin contains zinc, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help reduce acne outbreaks and speed up the healing of blemishes. 7. Brightening and even skin tone. The exfoliation caused by snail mucin also promotes an even skin tone by fading dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and sun damage over time. Its brightening effects help to enhance the skin's natural glow, leaving the skin looking healthier and more radiant. 8. Antioxidant protection. Snail mucin is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells, accelerate aging, and increase the risk of developing skin conditions like skin cancer. The antioxidants in snail mucin help to neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting and preserving skin health. 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Snail mucin has natural anti-inflammatory effects, making it useful for calming irritated or sensitive skin. It can help reduce redness, swelling, and discomfort from conditions such as rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis. 10. Promotes skin elasticity. Because of its collagen-boosting effects, snail mucin can improve the elasticity of the skin, helping it stay firm and resilient. This is particularly beneficial for people concerned about sagging skin or the loss of skin tone due to aging. 11. Suitable for sensitive skin. Snail mucin is often praised for being gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. Its ability to hydrate and heal the skin makes it useful for people with dry, irritated, or reactive skin conditions. It doesn't typically cause irritation and can be used regularly without harsh side effects. How to use snail mucin in skincare. Snail mucin is found in many skincare products, including serums, moisturizers, sheet masks, cleansers, spot treatments. Conclusion: snail mucin offers numerous benefits for the skin, ranging from improving hydration and elasticity to reducing signs of aging and acne. Its unique blend of ingredients, including glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants, make it an excellent addition to many skincare routines. Whether you are looking to address acne scars, wrinkles, or general skin health, snail mucin is a versatile and effective ingredient that has earned its place in the beauty world.